Method overloading. Sharp also permits overloading of methods. Now this means that we can use the same method name to create methods that performs a variety of different tasks. This is known as a method polymorphism, an object-oriented programming technique. Using the concept of method overloading, we can design a family of functions with one function name, but with different argument lists. The function would perform different operations depending on the argument list in the function call. Just take a look at this example. Here we have three different methods with the same name, but different arguments. Each method performs a different task based on its arguments. Now let's discuss all this with an example. Open the Visual Studio.NET 2008 console application. Add this coding and see the logic. Here in this program, we have a class called Program with two variables, A and B, and a method display. Note that we have two display methods. In the main method, we have created an object P1 for the class Program. The compiler first tried to find an exact match in which the types of arguments are the same, and use that function. If the exact match is not found, the compiler tries to use the integral promotions to the actual arguments. When P1 display is encountered, the control will move to display method. Here it will check with method name, return type, and argument list. If it matches, then it will execute the code within. When P1 display 10 is encountered, the control will move to display method. Now here it doesn't contain any argument list, so the compiler searches for display method. When it reaches the method display, int, then it will assign the value of 10 to x and execute the statement within the function. Press Ctrl F5 to run the application. Right then, I hope you've got a clearer idea about method overloading. Next off, we're going to discuss operator overloading. Quick note, console.writeLine method is also a good example for method overloading.